हाय एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर मेंटोर। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज के हमारे 10 वर्ड्स जो कि वोकैबुलरी के हैं, वी आर स्टार्टिंग नाउ एंड आवर टुडेज फर्स्ट वर्ड इज हार्डशिप। हार्डशिप दैट मीन्स कठिनाई। ओके, एंड द सेंटेंस इज इन हिज मंथली मन की बात रेडियो एड्रेस पीएम मोदी apologized for the hardships that people are facing due to the lockdown. And the similar words are adversity, discomfort and fatigue. And the opposite words are advantage, assistance, benefit and blessing. I hope you understood the word, and the word was hardship. Let's move for the next word. And now this word is exodus. Exodus. And the uses is following the lockdown, there has been a massive exodus of migrant workers from big cities to their villages. And the similar words are departure, flight, migration, withdrawal. And the opposite words are arrival, flux, inflow and influx. I hope you understood this word, and this word was exodus. Let's go for the next word. And now this word is impediment. Impediment. And the uses is the circulation of fake news is identified by the center as the biggest impediment in fighting COVID-19 pandemic. And the similar words are obstacle, barrier, hindrance, difficulty, obstructions. And opposite words are benefit. Understood this word, and this word was impediment. Let's go for the next word. And our this word is war footing. War footing. That means युद्ध स्तर पर. युद्ध स्तर पर. Now the uses is Cabinet Secretary asked states to trace. Cabinet Secretary asked state to trace जमानत attendees on war footing. And the similar words are military situation, state of war. I hope you understood this word, and this word was war footing. Let's move for the next word. And our this word is disseminate. Disseminate, that means प्रचार करना, to advertise. Clear? And the uses is PM Modi asks all the state chief ministers to urge religious leaders to circulate, disperse, propagate and publicize. And the opposite words are conceal, hide, collect and gather. I hope you understood this word, and this word was disseminate. Let's move for the next word. And our this word is persistent. Persistent. That means sthayi. Persistence means sthayi. UK PM Boris Johnson has been hospitalized for tests after persistent coronavirus symptoms. Continuous, constant, continual, lasting, chronic, endless. And the opposite words are intermittent, occasional, irregular. I hope you understood this word, and this word was persistent. Let's move for the next word. And our this word is stimulus. Stimulus, that means प्रोत्साहन, to appreciate someone. And the uses is India may unveil second stimulus coronavirus package worth encouragement, incentive, incitement and provocation. And opposite words are I hope you understood this word, and this word was stimulus. Stimulus. And our this word is contagion. Contagion, that means sankraman. And the uses is India need to contain domestic contagion, said World Bank. And the similar words are infection, illness, pestilence, plague, disease. And the opposite words are cleanliness and purification. I hope you understood this word, and this word was contagion. Contagion. Let's move for the next word. And our this word is proactive. Proactive, that means agra sakriya. And the uses is Bill Gates praised Modi government's proactive efforts to flatten COVID-19 curve. And the similar words are aggressive, anxious, ardent, dedicated. And opposite words are unprepared, unready. I hope you got this word, and this word was proactive. Let's move for the last word of the day. Our this word is novice. Novice, that means no sikhya, a new learner. And Rafael Nadal claimed He was a computer game novice during an Instagram chat with Andy Murray. Okay, and the similar words are beginner, learner, newcomer, trainee, and opposites are expert, professional, and teacher. I hope you got this word, and this word was novice. So I hope you understood all the 10 words of the day. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. I'll be back in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.